Alright, over here with my print, let's see if we can get my toilet fixed. Go ahead and use my 3D printed scraper thing. This thing's awesome. My Flex PEI, which will pop this right off, hopefully with the supports in place. And look at that. Did a good job. This 5mm thing was not totally flat, so that's why, yeah, there was a support for that. I forgot. That's okay. I probably should have done supports on this side and then that side up, but that's okay. Let's see what we can do. All right, so we're back with my toilet bowl. Very exciting. Now we're going to take my 3D print and we're going to see if it fits. And oh yeah, it totally does. And I'm gonna hot glue this just to be on the safe side, but check it out. You can put quarters in here. How many quarters? I don't know. That's probably the limit. So what that's gonna do is weigh this down a little bit extra so that when the water level sinks, it should hopefully flush every time now. Because what was happening was that little gasket wasn't coming up all the way. Let's see now. And look at that. It starts refilling right away. Only costs about $2 and change and $1.50. 10 cents of 3D printing. Watch it, does it come back up? And it stops. Nice. Now I don't have to change that whole valve system. Woo!